instead of writing the actual words that they're going to utter, you could just give them the situation or the task, what they have to do. For example, you have to apologize to your friend, and then your friend has the other card and says, you broke your friend's iPod, for example. Okay? So you don't say to your friend, you broke your friend's iPod. You don't actually say that, right? You actually have to figure out what you're going to say to perform that task. Okay? That's another idea here for junior high school. Number 2, bingo interview sheet. That's for a very young age, 12 years old. You know, at our schools they begin with A, B, C. Okay, very easy, simple questions. I call it a bingo sheet, but it's not really a bingo. It's just a bunch of square with the questions on top here, possible answers. They stand up and they ask these questions to many students. Okay, and they write their names underneath. And their job is to basically complete 2 straight rows, and then they can sit down. This handout can ensure maybe 15 minutes of sustained English language speaking in a junior high school first grade student class. So it's not that bad. Again, they're just reading the stuff, but they understand the meaning, and it's quite lively at that point. Number 3, interview your friend and report the results. This is a good example. Reporting is, they don't have a lot of practice in doing this. Reporting means, let's say, for example, I ask, what is your favorite food?
Okay, curry rice.
He said that his favorite food is curry and rice, okay? Kathleen, what sport do you like?
Baseball.
Kathleen said that her favorite sport is baseball. Or Kathleen likes baseball. You could make it different versions, right? Transferring the question from the second person singular, which is a question, the answer is first person singular, and reporting is third person singular. So the use of the S and, you know, present verb inflection there. So that's just a good activity for first grader and second graders. Number 4, picture description and create a conversation. The best is to use a family picture. We'll come back to it, okay? This is what it is right here, okay? We'll come back to it. 5, word description, a Japanese word, a word previously learned. This is one of my favorite. This, you know, earlier on the screen I put like language for eventual use versus language for immediate use. Learning something in the possibility in the future you might use it, or use English right now, okay? Well, this is language for immediate use. I have 4 squares here, okay? So I just would cut that, for example, and then I fold that little paper, I give one to Lauren, for example, okay? And Lauren, can you come here?
Okay.
To the front?
Yeah.
Just choose one square, and in that square choose one word, okay?
Okay.
Choose one word, and you have to describe that word. Make sure Kathleen doesn't see. Okay? You have to describe that word, and please try to guess what the word is. It's...
Okay. I work at this place. I'm describing for Kathleen.
To anybody.
Okay.
Anybody can answer, yeah?
Okay. I work at this place. There's usually a chair at this place. And it can be made of wood or some other material.
Any idea?
And there are drawers there. I keep books and
I
files.
guess it's a desk.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. You're a very fluent student.